Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the Kenworth W900 with the rusted through frame rail. So I'm kind of on a timeline here for a few different projects and then I'm going out on the road. So I didn't get any video of us masking it up, it's just going to be of spraying it and then the complete project. We always put these underneath the suspension, that way the airbags cannot drop and then you don't have to touch up the shocks and the suspension. This is where it normally sits. So if you've seen the previous video on this truck when we were sandblasting it, there was some holes in the frame. So we ended up getting them welded up, and then the really rough pitting, he didn't want to get it all welded, he just wanted us to smooth it over with some seam sealer. Just that way, the really rough pits, it's like a big bowl, so you can't fill it with all coating. Like, you can't get the sides when you're spraying it, so it's just going to rust right away. So what we do is you put some seam sealer over it. Then at least it fills it, and then when you spray over top of it, it seals it off. It's kind of the best way, yet your kind of cheapest, but all-around long-lasting option. The absolute best option would be obviously to put in a new frame rail. But the customer obviously doesn't want to spend that much time and money to put into, say, this is a 98, I believe, so didn't want to put that much time and money into this truck. So like for every other job that we spray black, we always put a black epoxy primer down, so that way when it's stone chips, that at least it's black underneath and it doesn't show as bad, unlike gray. So I got this thing all sprayed. We're gonna unmask it, put it together, and then she's ready to hit the road.
So I kind of did have a lack of footage at the end there of seeing the finished project, but I didn't end up putting any of it together or taking it in or out, or even when the customer came, I had to go work and do some sandblasting on the road mobilely. So if you guys do stay tuned, we do have like 4 more Kenworths coming up, and they're going to be some really exciting projects. So that's going to be it for the video, guys. And last but not least, I really do appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.